Hello, we're your Nerd Theorists, and today we're looking at 5 cheap and easy homemade terrain ideas for your 40k battlefield. Number 1. Oil drums. Get yourself to your local hardware shop and buy yourself a bag of 15mm couplings. These are perfect for oil drums. They already look like oil drums before you do anything to them. Spray them up whatever colour you want. You can easily pop a little bit of cardboard on the top if you want them sealed, or another trick that I like is to stuff them full of cotton wool till nearly the top. Mix some PVA or hot glue gun glue with a nice neon-y green paint. Slop that in, let it drip down the sides. It gives you a nice sort of toxic-y waste style barrel. Any leftover transfers that you've got, I've got some skull and crossbones ones that I had left over from a Kill Team box set. They go on nicely. And there you have it, very quick and easy oil drums for scatter terrain. Number 2. Rocks. Next time you're out and about and you happen to pass a skip, keep your eye out for some of this. It's insulating foam, or loft. It is extruded polystyrene, I think is the proper name for it. Anyway, I got this from a skip about 2 years ago. I got loads of it, absolutely loads of it, and I've been using it ever since. It lasts for ages. You can chop it up into rocks, just knock on the door and say, hello, I'm weird, please can I delve into your skip? Most people are happy to get rid of it because they've run it away anyway. All you need to do is cut off a chunk and then run your knife along it, create some little crevices, rough it up a little bit, spray it grey, jobs are good, and you've got rocks. You can make them all different shapes and sizes, and then you've got some really easy scatter terrain. You can obviously use real rocks, but they're heavy, and you might drop them on your models, so don't do that. Number 3. Industrial tank things. So I have a dog food tin and I have a pineapple rings tin. Stick them to a base, throw in some bendy straws. These were about £1 for a billion on YouTube. Not on YouTube, on eBay. Also, if you're feeling flush, $1.99 from eBay, and it's like a straw build it yourself kit for kids, but these are brilliant because the scale's right. Wang them all together, knock up a little ladder from cocktail skewers and matches, and you've got a nice little industrial style building. Spray it black, paint it silver, dry brush and brown on to make it look rusty. Perfect. Number 4. Dead trees. Easy. Find a bush, preferably in your own back garden. If not, wait till no one's looking. Go to said bush, snip a bit off, get rid of the leaves, stick it to something. Dead tree. That's it. Number 5. Wooden barricades. Coffee stirrers. You can buy these for next to nothing on eBay. They were, I think, a bag of 300 for £1. Alternatively, steal them from Starbucks. They make loads of money. Nobody cares. Snap the ends off. Don't cut them. Snap them, because then you get a nice rough finish. Stick them all together. Stick a piece across them. Paint them your favourite shade of brown. That's it. Jobs are good. So there we have it, 5 terrain ideas that shouldn't cost you very much money and are nice and quick and easy to build. Once you've got them all together, you should have a nice selection of scatter terrain, buildings and cover. Thanks for watching. My name's Gaz. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you soon.